Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about embracing natural beauty and style. Today, we have an exciting tutorial in store for you. Cute, natural crochet hairstyles. Whether you're new to crocheting or a seasoned pro, this tutorial will help you achieve a fabulous look that's perfect for any occasion. So grab your crochet hook, some yarn, and let's get started. Materials you'll need. 1. Crochet hook, size depends on your chosen style. 2. Crochet needle 3. Hairpins 4, yarn, color of your choice, 5, hair ties 6, hair moisturizer 7, wide-toothed comb 8, hair clips. Step 1. Prepping your natural hair. First things first, ensure your hair is clean and well moisturized. This will make the crocheting process smoother and protect your hair from damage. Detangle your hair using a wide-toothed comb and section it into manageable parts. Step 2. Choosing your crochet style. Now comes the fun part. Choosing your crochet style. You can go for the classic box braids, chic crochet curls, or even faux locks. The possibilities are endless. Today we'll demonstrate how to achieve a stunning crochet twist look. Step 3. Creating the crochet foundation. To start, divide your hair into small sections using hairpins to secure them. This will help you work with one section at a time, ensuring precision in your crochet hairstyle. Step 4. Crocheting the extensions. Now take your crochet hook and insert it into the hairpin loop. Attach a piece of yarn to the hook, pull it through the loop, and create a knot. This will secure the extension in place. Continue crocheting extensions into each section, making sure they are evenly distributed for a natural look. Step 5. Styling and shaping. Once all the extensions are in place, you can start styling your crochet twists. You can trim them to your preferred length, curl them for added flair, or simply leave them as is for a natural look. Step 6. Final touches. To ensure your crochet hairstyle stays in place all day, use hairpins and clips to secure any loose ends or flyaways. Finish with a spritz of your favorite hair oil or spray for added shine and hold. Step 7. Maintenance and care. To keep your crochet hairstyle looking fresh, wrap your hair with a silk or satin scarf at night to prevent frizz and breakage. You can also refresh your scalp with a light moisturizer. And don't forget to flaunt your fabulous new look with confidence. Conclusion. And there you have it, lovelies. A step-by-step tutorial on achieving cute, natural crochet hairstyles. Whether you're headed to a special event or just want to switch up your everyday look, crochet hairstyles are a versatile and beautiful option. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to master the technique. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay fabulous, and we'll see you next time.